Hey guys, I thought I'd give you a quick update on how my little seedlings are going. It's been a week since we planted them using this Seasol seed raising and cutting potting mix. And as I said in the previous video, it was the first time I'd ever used it. So yeah, I am suitably impressed. Let me show you what has already sprouted and just how big some of my seedlings actually are. So these are the cucumbers. They're doing amazing, and I see the other little two are still coming through. This was the sweet corn, so we've still got it looks like 3 to go, but I can just make out one over there. Spring onion did really well. The zucchini, look, they're huge. So we've got 1, 2, 3, so I've got 3 to go. The cauliflower, I think, are my favorite so far because their germination period was a little longer than everything else, and they were one of the first ones to pop up. So, and it also looks like every single seed germinated, which is fantastic. So we've got 9 little seedlings. The thyme seems to be doing really well as well. So what's left is the parsley and peppermint. Now their germination period's pretty long, so I'm not terribly worried just yet. I did actually finally buy myself that seed tray I said I was going to get, and it is fantastic. So it's just from Bunnings, 30 little seed pods. So a lot easier to move this around between sun and shade than these individual little trays. Now the only reason I was using these anyway was because some seedlings came in them, and I'm just doing a bit of a, you know, waste not kind of attitude. Planted some eggplants yesterday from seed, one that we harvested ourselves, some tomatoes, and my butternut is still germinating. Its seeds are swollen, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that's a good sign. But yes, if you are looking for a seed starter, I can highly recommend this one. Seriously impressed, and it will most certainly be the way that I will be planting my seeds for the rest of the season. Anyway, just wanted to give you that update, and hopefully I'll check back with you in a couple of weeks and show you just how the rest are getting on.